Magandang araw! Kamusta ka? Alam ko nasabi ka ng magkaroon ng bagong kaalaman tungkol sa nakaraan. Kaya tara na't pasukin ang mundo ng kasaysayan with Aire. On April 12, 1895, Andres Bonifacio first declared Philippine independence inside a cave called Pamitinan in Montalban. Andres Bonifacio earlier, together with Emilio Jacinto, Restituto Javier, Guillermo Masangkay, Aurelio Tolentino, Faustino Manalac, Pedro Zabala, and few others, Bonifacio went to the interior parts of Morong, also known as Rizal Province, to find a place to hide in case of the discovery of the Katipunan by the Spanish authorities. They reached San Mateo and Montalban and found the caves of Macaroc and Pamitinan safe places for refuge. In one of these two caves, they held initiation rites for new members. The Katipuneros, old and new members, went inside a cave, and after the induction, Bonifacio, using a piece of charcoal, wrote on the walls of the cave, "Long live Philippine independence." The Katipunan was founded by Bonifacio on July 7, 1892, together with Ladislao Diwa, Teodoro Plata, Valentin Diaz, and Diodato Arellano in Tondo, Manila, the day the banishment of Dr. Jose Rizal was made public. A gentle reminder from Aire Pereños na hindi lamang oras ng hinintuan kundi pati na rin ang kasaysayan na ating dapat alamin at alalahanin. We hope you enjoy watching this video about what happened this day in our history. Don't forget to tune in to our next videos and follow our club social media accounts. See you again in our history with Aire.